Good day everyone, once again this is June Carlo, your property consultant. So guys, if you are looking for an affordable and ready for occupancy property here in Saulong, Quezon City, please continue to watch this video. So in front of me guys is our actual unit with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 carports with living and dining area. So let's check our model unit. Let's go. Oh, sorry, this is an actual unit. So, part ng turnover, guys, is the individual gate. So, yan na po, as is na po yan. Yung gate na yan. So, i-check natin yung unit na available. Let's go. So, upon entry, guys, this is your parking space. And what I love about it is meron siyang faucet, no? Pag nag-car wash tayo, may available na. Ayan. Okay, and this is your main door, guys. So, that's the door for turnover na din. And also kasama na rin yung